guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm on my way down to Street to Sand Offroad in Reno, Nevada. I'm going to do a dyno run just to see how much momentous power this 4Runner makes. So it's a 2021 4Runner, completely stock intake, completely stock engine, no exhaust, stock exhaust. It's re-geared for 488s and has 35-inch tires on it. So if you look on the internet, you'll see that, running bigger tires robs power. I didn't dyno it when it was stock, but I'd like to see what the actual numbers are now that I have 35-inch tires on. So we'll head down here, do a few dyno pulls, and then I'll show you the results. Alright guys, big things are happening, big things. We got the dyno results back. We'll throw up a picture of the graph right here. It made 198 horsepower to the wheels, which is pretty pathetic. So that's about a 27% loss in power from the crank. So the crank's 270. We're at 198 to the wheels. Reno's at about 4,500 feet. The dyno, I was told, is supposed to kind of compensate for that. But there still is a little bit of elevation loss in power. But, 35s and re-gearing will definitely take the power out of your sails. I don't regret it though, because honestly with the gearing, the 48 gears, even with 35s, it still feels like there's more power because the power is getting to the ground more efficiently than just stock without re-gearing on 33s even. So now we know, 198 horsepower. This thing is a beast. Okay, now that the dyno's done and we know the shocking amount of power this thing puts out, I just wanted to go over a few things that I had to deal with during the dyno run. One, we tried a third gear and a fourth gear pull, but even in manual mode, the 4Runner wants to keep shifting automatically to the next gear or downshift. So that took a little bit to deal with. And then the other thing is the safety sense between the cruise control and the camera that's on the windshield. It kept shutting power down once it reached a certain RPM, about 4,500 RPM. There's a way you can go inside the dash using the steering wheel buttons and turn off the pre-collision warning system, and that was able to let us have a successful third gear pull. So I just wanted to say thank you for watching the video. Hope this was informative. 198 horsepower. The only thing, I wish there was a way that we could really get a lot more horsepower out of this thing. Until then, until we figure something out, thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.